Good morning, Venice, and look what we've got today. We've got a blue sky. Yes. So it's Friday, it's my last day. Tomorrow I leave, but it looks like today is gonna be the day where I can actually film something. Check it out. Time to go find some breakfast. It's right over the Rialto Bridge, which is a really beautiful place. Let's go. That was breakfast. Now I have to go to do one thing that I cannot miss. I have to go see the San Marco Basilica, which I didn't yesterday because it was closed. So I'm gonna take one of these boats and then go there directly. St. Marcus Square, and there are 50 times more people than the other days when it was raining. So I'm gonna go see the Basilica, and there is even live music here with beautiful orchestras of classical instruments. Let me show you one of them. Oh, they just stopped playing just before I got there, but now I'm going to the Basilica, but I'm not allowed to take photographs or film in there. Too bad. Very, very pretty to see the St. Marcus Basilica from the inside. I couldn't film in there, but then again, it doesn't really make any sense to have that on camera because you cannot understand how big it is without actually being there. So I think it's time for lunch now because I've been spending a lot of time doing those time lapses. So I'm gonna go find a coffee and some Italian food, maybe pizza. Who knows?
Flow Krypton, knocking Superman off his feet with his kicks on. Niggas keep my shit on repeat, ain't no matter what song I get on. I shit on beats, pull out my dick and take a piss on trees. I'm raw dogging it. My rhyme lines flow sweeter than swine. So any mic that I find, I got the right to be hogging it. Talking shit loud, mouth wild out, starting it. Alcoholics ordering my vocab department. So
You speak English? No. Where are you from?
French.
Ah, français. C'est incroyable.
drop my nuts, I give a fuck about a pro hire. The new Peter CL was exile and BL. We bang jeeps to break beats, blaze trees and females. You ain't me, it's the SO. You will provide your mind with a West Coast soul vibe.